The question is, it takes 5 minutes for an individual to shower. If each person showers twice per day, approximately how long does each person spend showering in a year? You have A, 2 days, B, 2 hours, C, 2 weeks, and D, 2 months. Again, the question is, if it takes 5 minutes for an individual to shower, each person showers twice per day, approximately how long does each person spend showering in a year? 2 days, 2 hours, 2 weeks, 2 months. So always write down what you know from the question and then you can work forwards. So 5 minutes for each person to shower. And it also says that each person, they shower twice per day. So if they shower twice per day, then 5 minutes times 2 would equal to 10 minutes. So each person would shower 10 minutes per day. So whenever we're doing these questions, whether it is in ability or any one of the subject areas within the PEP exam, is always important to read over the question more than one time. And even when you read over the question, if you don't fully understand, it's always good to write out what information is given and also write out what information is asked of you. And it is also important to write what information may be missing, because in some cases you may have to find the missing information or calculate a value before you can actually calculate the answer. So as we were saying before, 5 minutes for an individual to shower, and then they shower twice per day. So if we multiply 5 minutes by 2, then we will get 10 minutes. So each person showers 10 minutes per day, right? So that's for one day. Then the next thing we can think of, if we know how long it takes each person to shower for one day, then we can know how much a person takes to shower for the week, right? Exactly. And that's the next step that we'll need to calculate. How many days are there within a week? Right? There are 7 days within a week. So if there are 7 days within a week, and we know that each person is able to shower 10 minutes for a day, how would you go about calculating how many minutes they would take to shower for the week? Think about it. I'll give you some minutes. Exactly. So it would be 10 minutes times 7, because there are 7 days within a week, and we know that for each day, each person takes 10 minutes. So 10 minutes times 7, that would give you how much? Right, it would give you 70 minutes. So right away, you see, we're able to find out how much minutes it takes one person to shower, how much minutes they take to shower within one day, and now we're able to find out how much minutes it takes them to shower within a week. But if you notice, the question asks, the question asks you to find how long it takes them to shower within a year. And if you notice, it says approximately. So approximately was stated within the question. So it's like an estimation of the time frame. So you're going to give an estimation, but even though you're giving an estimation, you have to show your calculation as to how you come about this approximation or estimation of the how long it takes. So since we already know how long it takes for a week, then the next thing we can find out is how long it takes for them to shower within a month, right? Exactly. So how much weeks is normally within a month? Approximately, because remember, some Some months have 28 days, like February. Some months have 30 and some months have 31, right? But if we're doing an estimation, approximately how much weeks is there within a month? Exactly. There are 4 weeks within a month. So if there are 4 weeks within a month, what did we calculate above? We had calculated how long it takes each person to shower within a week. So how would you go about calculating how long it takes each person to shower within a month? Right. We were saying that there's approximately 4 weeks within a month. So 4 times this empty would give you 280 minutes. And that would give you how long it takes a person to shower within a month. So if we find out how much it takes them to shower within a month, can we find out how long it takes them to shower within a year? Of course we can. How much months are there in a year? Right. There are 12 months within a year. So if there are 12 months within a year, and you know how much minutes it takes each person to shower within 1 month, do you think you can find out how long it takes them to shower within a year? Exactly. It would be the 280 minutes that it takes them to shower within a month times 12 months. And there the answer it is. How much minutes did you get? I'll give you time to calculate. We got 3,360 minutes. Did you get that answer as well? Right. So it takes 3,360 minutes for each person to shower within a year. But if you notice with the questions, they give us the answers in months, days, hours, and weeks. So nothing is in minutes. So we need to convert these minutes to days, or we need to convert the minutes to hours. The easier one is to convert it to hours first. And once you convert it to hours, then we're able to convert the hours into days. So let's go. So within 1 year, you get 3,360 minutes. How many minutes make an hour? You see, you always have to remember the basics. And when you know the basics and you write or state the basis, then you're able to move forward into calculating the more advanced aspect that is needed. So 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So if 60 minutes equal 1 hour, to find out how much hours there is in 3,360 minutes, then we'll need to divide the 3,360 minutes by 60. And that is what you see happening on the screen. So when you cancel everything out and do your division, we get 56 hours. So there are 56 hours in 3,360 minutes. We're not done. So if we're getting 56 hours, it simply means that the answer B would be incorrect. So B is out of it. So we're left with A, C, and D. So the next thing we need to do now is convert this 56 hours to days. How many hours are within a day? Right. There are 24 hours within a day. So as I always saying before, state the basic first, and when you know the basic, then you can find the answers that you're looking for. So since there are 24 hours within a day, right? And we have 56 hours. In order to find out how much 56 hours is in days, we would have to divide the 56 by 24. 24 into 56, we would get 2, because 24 times 2 is 48, right? 48 hours. And when we subtract 48 from 56, we would be left with 8. So we would get 2 days and 8 over 24 hours. And this can be further reduced to 1 over 3. So it is 2 days and 1 over 3 hours, meaning 1/3 hour. And 1/3 hour would be 15 minutes. So remember, the question above had said approximately. So it is approximately 2 days, because if you realize the 1/3 hour wouldn't add up to give you any days. So you would get 2 days. So